What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. Wealth Frequency with Justin JackBear. JackBear.ai. Go check it out. 50 free courses on Web3 and the world's first gamified academy built on the Internet Computer Protocol. I'm going to read over course number 7, which is DAO and collective governance. So centralized leadership built empires. Decentralized governance will build civilizations. The governance problem no one talks about. Most organizations fail for one simple reason. Too much power sits in too few hands. Companies collapse from ego, governments collapse from corruption, communities collapse from misalignment. DAOs, DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. They flip governance on its head. A DAO is not a group chat. It's not a Discord server. It's not a crypto buzzword. A DAO is a governance system encoded in smart contracts where rules are transparent, decisions are shared, and no one person can hijack the mission. What a DAO actually is. A DAO equals people plus purpose plus protocol. People bring ideas, purpose sets direction, protocol enforces rules. It's governance without gatekeepers. No CEOs, no boards stacked with insiders, no backroom deals, no hidden agendas. Every rule is written in code, every change is voted on, every vote is recorded forever. Why DAOs exist? Well, DAOs solve 3 ancient human problems. Corruption, number 1. Power can't be secretly abused with a DAO. 2, coordination. Strangers can align without trusting each other. Number 3, transparency. Governance is public and verifiable. Human systems fail because humans fail. DAO systems succeed because math doesn't negotiate. The DAO superpowers. DAOs unlock collective decision-making, community-owned treasuries, transparent rules, on-chain voting, shared incentives, distributed leadership, immutable governance, history. It's democracy plus automation. But unlike political democracy, DAOs don't rely on belief. They rely on cryptographic truth. Now, why ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol, makes DAOs actually work. Most DAOs today are held together with duct tape, voting on snapshot, treasury in Gnosis, treasury in, I'll have to check the spelling of that. Discord for discussion, Amazon Web Services for front ends, Etherscan to check results, Google Docs for proposals. This isn't sovereignty, it's a Frankenstein. ICP fixes this. Voting on chain, proposals on chain, front end on chain, treasury on chain, identity on chain, full stack DAO governance, no centralized services. So a real example of a DAO that can't be rugged. Traditional organizations can be dissolved, hijacked, bought out, corrupted, censored. A DAO cannot. If the rules say funds can only move by a majority vote, then even the founders can't move them. If the rules say no admin edits, then there are none. There are none. DAOs create incorruptible institutions, the first in human history. So the framework of the 5 DAO layers. Now, layer 1 is mission. Why the DAO exists. Layer 2 is membership. Who participates? Layer 3, governance, how decisions are made. Layer 4, treasury, how funds move. Layer 5, evolution, how rules change and adopt. Master these 5 and you can design any decentralized autonomous organization. So here are some questions to reflect on. What community organization in your life needs more transparency? Would you trust code-based governance over human-based governance? What happens when leaders can't lie, hide, or cheat? What DAO category interests you most? Social, financial, creative, political? And do you think humans are ready for decentralized power? So the 5 key takeaways. DAOs are transparent, programmable organizations. Governance becomes a system, not a personality. Smart contracts enforce rules. ICP enables full stack. DAO infrastructure. DAOs will run future businesses, nations, and AI ecosystems. So, what is a DAO? A DAO is a decentralized governance system enforced by smart contracts. Why are DAOs resistant to corruption? Rules are enforced by code, not people. And why is ICP ideal for DAOs? It's full stack, on-chain governance. So that's a brief intro to DAO and collective governance on how this is going to shape the future of the internet and technology, businesses, corporations, communities, and countries. And so that's why it's important. Thanks a lot for checking in. Go check it out, JackBear.ai. There's 50 free courses on there. Feel free to donate any funds you think, if you have any value out of these videos, or if you had any value out of the JackBear.ai courses. And you can follow my YouTube. It's the Wealth Frequency at Justin JackBear. Until the next video, thanks for the subs, likes, comments. Appreciate you all. Would not be here without my community. Until the next one, stay groovy.